Let's see brief introduction about Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling, 1865 to 1936. Rudyard Kipling was an English journalist, short story writer, poet, and novelist. Kipling was one of the most popular writers in the United Kingdom in both prose and verse in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907 at the age of 42. He was the first writer writing in English to receive the prize. This poem deals with advice given by father to his son. This poem is motivational that tells us how to deal with different situations in life. The poet conveys his ideas about how to win this life and, after all, how to be a good human being. When all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools, if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man. 2 lines. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. Difficult word is keep one's head. Means not to get angry or remain calm. Explanations of these lines are: poet says that to be a good human being and to succeed in life, we should keep calm when other people around us are losing their cool. We should not lose our temperament, even if others are blaming us for their fault. Losing the temper does not solve a problem, rather intensifies that. Keeping the head cool makes us think wisely to face those tough situations, and ultimately a solution comes out. Next lines. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. Difficult word is make allowance for. Means Consider what others also have to say about you. Take into consideration or to think about it. Explanation of these lines are: if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, means we should have the faith in ourselves even when others doubt us. But after that, we should give some importance to their doubt too and try to find out what may be the reason for their suspicion or for their doubt. After all, to err, to make mistakes, is a human being's nature. In short, we can say that by keeping faith in ourselves, we make sure that we don't get demoralized or disheartened, and by allowing others doubt a little space of thought, we ensure that we are not doing something wrong knowingly or unknowingly. Next line: if you can wait and not be tired by waiting. Explanation of this line is: we should work hard and wait for the result patiently. We should not get tired by waiting. Next line: or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Difficult word is being lied about, means false things spoken about oneself by others. Explanation: people may lie about us to others, but we should not indulge ourselves in lies. In other words, we should always remain truthful. If we are misled or tempted to lie, people would ultimately discover the truth and won't believe us anymore. That's why it is important to speak the truth, even if that hurts us. Next line: or being hated, don't give way to hating. Difficult word is give way to hating, means allow hatred to take control of oneself. Explanation: people may show their hatred towards us, yet we should not hate them. We should show our love and respect to others. In other words, we can say that no man or woman is perfect in this world. Everyone has his strength and weakness. We have to accept that and respect them for the good qualities in them. Next line: and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. Difficult word is don't look too good, means not to be excessively ideal or not to be perfect. Talk too wise means show off one's knowledge. Explanation: we should not show us as too good a person or talk too wisely with common people, even after possessing such qualities. Having acquired all these good qualities mentioned above, people generally feel proud and tend to show off how good they are. But the poet warns us, the poet advises us not to go that way. In that case, others would feel uncomfortable in our company and avoid us. Even others may try to prove us wrong at any cost, leading to an unhealthy competition. Next line. If you can dream and not make dreams your master. Explanation. Poet says that to do something bigger, we should dream first. But the poet also reminds us not to be guided by unrealistic dreams. If dreams take the driver's seat, we would get detached from reality and eventually fail. There goes a saying, you have to dream first before your dream can come true. So, we should dream to reach great heights in life, but keeping the reality in mind. Next line. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. Explanation. We should be able to think over a matter, but should not make the thoughts our aim. That is to say that we often lose our radar and get detached from the main point. So, our thinking should not be scattered, misleading us away from the target. Next lines. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. Difficult words are triumph, victory, great success. Impostors, those who deceive others by pretending to be someone else. Explanation. Poet says that life is a combination of success and failure, joy and sorrow, good times and bad times. We should accept both and face both situations with similar treatment. Here, the poet personifies triumph and disaster, capitalizing and calling them two impostors, and that is pretenders or cheaters. People becomes too happy in success and forgets their duty at hand. We may also get too complacent or proud at a small success, reducing our chances to reach higher goals. Again, at bad times, if we are too grieved, we may lose our faith and confidence. In both cases, our regular course of work is hampered. That is why the poet calls triumph and disaster two impostors. He asks us to treat those deceivers similarly, with a smiling face. In short, don't be too happy or too sad under any circumstances. Next lines. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by nails to make a trap for fools. Difficult words are nails means slaves or dishonest persons. Next, truth twisted by someone means change the truth a little to gain some advantage. Explanation. Poet says that we have to bear the tough situations where we see that our speech or statement is distorted by someone to be fool others. Very often we see that people misinterpret or even deliberately distort our words to use it in their favor. We should not lose our temper hearing that. Rather, we should tolerate that, ensuring we have spoken the truth. Next lines. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or talk with kings nor lose the common touch. Difficult words are keep one's virtue means keep one's goodness or morals under any condition. Next word, lose the common touch means refuse to interact with common people or to not communicate well with ordinary people. Explanation. The poet says that we should stay in touch with people from every class of the society. We should be able to talk with common mass or people without losing our virtue or moral values. Again, we should be able to walk with kings without going beyond the reach of the common people. In short, we can say that the common touch would help us realize the reality and feel the needs of the society. On the other hand, the noble touch would give us the power and opportunity to reach higher goals. Next lines. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much. Difficult words are foes means enemies. Next, count with you means be equally important to you. Explanation. Poet says that we should build ourselves strong enough mentally and physically so that neither enemies nor loving friends can hurt us. Moreover, we should develop healthy relationship with everyone around us and should not allow anyone to harm us. In other words, we can say that we have to develop our personality the right way so that everyone supports us and gives us importance, but none too much. If we allow someone to give us too much importance, we may be emotionally bound. That may restrict our freedom and prevent us from doing our duty. Or we may get complacent thinking that we are so much liked by people, thus reducing our effort. Next lines. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. Difficult words are unforgiving minute means time that does not wait for anyone. Next, 60 seconds worth of distance run means make good use of every second without wasting. Let's see explanation. Poet says that time is precious. A minute is filled with 60 seconds. Time means minute is here called unforgiving, as it waits for none and doesn't forgive him who wastes it. We should utilize every minute of our life in productive work. Wasting time is not something we can afford in our short lifespan. Next lines. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Difficult word is to be a man. Means to be a good, perfect human being. Let's see explanation. Finally comes the achievement that we can get it. We fulfill all the conditions mentioned so far. We can win this earth and everything in it. We can go to top of the world and rule over everything. And what is more, we would be complete and perfect human being.